Yeah. Hello, my dear students. So, how are you? Okay. So, we complete our weekend. Now, today is the first day of the week, and that is Monday. And this Monday is going to be a special Monday. So, why special Monday? Because today we are going to start day 9. Sir, every day we are starting now. Sometimes day 1, day 2, day 3. Then what is special? All of you know you completed the level 1. So, level 1. Total how many level we have to study? 4 level. In that, 1 level completed. Now today we are going to start level 2. Okay. Sir, in level 2 what you teach, sir? Yes. Good question. So in level 2 we are going with multiplication. Sir, level 1 also multiplication. Yes. Because see, multiplication is very complicated. Okay. Because we face many problems or it takes lots of time when we do multiplication. So for different topics, we are taking the different trick. Okay. So we learn few tricks. Okay. But in this level, we learn division. Also, no need to worry. Okay. So be happy. Now, try to understand. Okay. So here, multiplication of what? So today, we start the level 2. What we start? Level 2. Okay. Sir, in level 2, today what we start? So make the heading multiplication by either 5, either 25 or 125. We learn the 3 tricks. We do multiplication with 5, multiplication with 25 and multiplication with 125. Okay. See, sometimes when you get the easy number, what method you know, you have to go with that method. Okay. But sometimes some difficult number comes, some big number comes. Difficult number means what? Big number come. At that time, this trick definitely help you. Okay. So see, suppose that we get, sir, 5 times 5. Okay. So here no go for any trick because we know that, sir, 5 times 5 is 25 only. Why we go this? So for this, no need to go. Okay. So please, what we learn, if you feel that method is easy and you can do fast, then you can go with that method. Okay. Because see, final what is our aim? We have to make our calculation fast. That's our aim. Got this or not? Okay. So now, give me trick. What we do? Multiplication with 5, 25 and 125. Is this clear? Sir, 5. Now I am getting the example. First, taking very simple example. 12 into 5. Okay. Sir, basically I know, sir, 12 into 5 that I can do. But trick. First we learn the trick with a small number. Slowly we move towards some big number. Okay. No need to worry. So 12 into 5. So first we have to take half of 12. Very easy. Half of 12 is what? 6. So we write here 6 and 0. Our answer is what? 6, 0. Okay. Next time I take 14 into 5. Again this is a small number. What is the half of 14? Sir, 7. So we write here 7 and put 0. Okay. Sir, I'm getting very fine. No problem. Sir, when we get odd number, then what happens? Even numbers, sir, you are doing very easily. 12, 6, 40. Now take some big number and go with odd number. Okay. I'm taking 25. 25 into 5. Okay. So 25 into 5. So when you do here 25. So we have to take it half. Making it half means what? We have to divide it by 2. So when you divide, what you get answer here? So it comes 2, 2. And after it we get the remainder 1. What we get here? Remainder, sorry. We get 1, 2, not 2, 2, 1, 2. Okay, because in 2 table 2 come 1 time. So 1, 2 and we are getting, what we are getting? 1 at the remainder. So when we get 1, always we get the 1 and remainder. So we keep here 5. Understand? Sir, please help me with some big number. So first you write down this one. Now we practice some big questions also. Okay? Please carry on. Yeah. So when I say to write down, please stop or pause the video or write down. Okay. Now I'm taking 154 into 5. Okay. Now again I'm taking another big number. 2, 3, 4, 5 into 5. Yeah, sir. This is the good number. Now tell me, how can we do these questions. Okay, now see here 154 into 5. So what is the half of 154? So making half means what? We have to, making half, it means what? We have to divide it by 2. Making half, it means what? We have to divide it by 2. So when you divide it by 2, so what you get here? 15. 15 not come in 2 table. So which number come just less than 15 to table, my dear student? Tell me. Sir, 14. How many times 14 come? 7 times. And 1 and again 4. Again it come 14. So 7 times. And put here 1 0. Our answer is what? 770. Our answer is what? 770. So now try with big number. Very easy, okay? 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So first what we have to do? Make it half. So making it half means what? We have to divide it by 2. So first in 2 table 2 come how many times? 1 time. So we write here 1. Now 3 not come in 2 table. So which number come just less than 3 in 2 table? So 2 itself. And in 2 table 2 come how many times? Sir, 1 time. How many times it come? 1 time. So here we write 1. Now here we get remainder 1. 1 and 4, 14. So 14 come how many times? 7 times. So we write here 7. Now here 5. Come how many times? 2 2 is 4. 2 times 4 carry 1. And I say when we get the remainder as 1, what you do? Keep as 5. And always we get the remainder 1. Apart from this, we not get anything. So this is the trick for 5. Okay. So in our paper, in our book, there are many pages of this. You practice, okay, and understand. This is the concept only. So what is the concept only? We have to make it half. Making it half means what? We have to divide it by 2 and put 1 0. And when we get the remainder 1, then instead of keeping 0, we have to keep 5. That's it. Your heart, sir, very easy. Now level 2 first chapter completed. Okay. Now 5 we understand. Now we are coming to learn 25. What we are going to learn? How to do multiplication with 25. Okay. So please write down. Please pause your video and write down. Okay. Every student please write down. Okay. Especially Adya. Adya, please write down. Okay. My superhero. Good. Now here multiplication with 25. What I am taking? Multiplication with 25. Sir, in this multiplication, how can we do? Okay. So here we take any example. Suppose let the example 24 into 25. Okay. Before knowing this method, how can we do? We write 24, 25, then multiply this. Okay. We get the 0. We get the answer like that. Okay. But here very simple trick. In 24, 24 multiply with 25. So when we go with multiply with 4, multiply with 25. At that time, we have to divide it by 4. What we have to do? Divide it by 4 and put how many 0? In case of 5, we are putting 1 0. Here we are keeping the 4 0. So 2 0. Why 2 0, sir? Very simple. Actually, what happens when we are taking 5? So we try to bring it 10. So for making this 10, we are multiplying with 2, and to make it equal, we have to divide by 2. So our answer is not going to change. But in case of 25, what we are doing? We try to make it near 1,000. Near 100. So what we will do? Multiply with 4. And to make it equal, we have to divide it by 4. What we have to do? Divide it by 4 only. So that's why we are dividing by 4. Now tell me in 4 table 24 come how many times? Very simple. 6 times and put 0 0. Answer in 2 seconds only. Okay. Another example, sir. 44 divided into 25. Okay. So 44. So here we have to divide with, tell me, divide with 4. So when you divide 44 with 4, what we get answer? 11. 1 1. and put 2 0. That is our answer. Easy or hard? Yes sir, that's very easy. Because when we go for normal method that we learn in our school, it take long time. And in this method, we can do it very faster. Okay? Very good. Okay, now we will see few more questions. Now I'm taking some big number, okay? Sir, this now taking the easy number, okay. Now big number like see here, 4, 5, 6, 3. Now multiply with 25. What we will do here? Now, so we have to divide it by 4. Listen carefully, okay? Divide it by 4. So I said to divide here only, not go for here, sir, I'm divide like this, 4, 5, 6, 3. Not like that, okay? Yeah, I know this is easy. Okay, but try to practice here because we are learning this Vedic math to do faster. Okay, so here in 4 table 4 come how many times? One by one we check. In 4 table 4 come how many times? Sir, one time. Very easy, na? Yes. So here we write 1. Now this part completed. Now in 4 table 5 is coming. Tell me yes or no? No sir. In 4 table 5 is not coming. So which number come near to 5 in 4 table? So 4 itself. Because 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So we can't go more than 5. We have to take less than 5. So again 1. But this time 5 minus 4, 1. And 1 and 6, 16. Now 4 table 16 is coming or not? Just tell me. In 4 table 16 is coming or not? So definitely coming. How many times? 4 times, because 4 times 4 is 16. So here we write 4. Now 1. Now I have completed 16 minus 16, 0. No remainder. Now 3. Okay. So in case of 3, we keep here 0 and get remainder as 3. What we get here? Remainder as 3. Some student facing problem is, sir, I am not able to do linear. So that student go with this. Okay. Initial, but try to do this one only. Okay, now when we get remainder 1, so we write 25 in the last. We get remainder 2, we write 50. When we get remainder 3, we write 75. Please, this is very important. And remember, this is very easy. Sir, when we get remainder 1, we write 25. When we get remainder 2, we write 50. When we get the remainder 3, we write 75. Sir, it is possible to come remainder 4? No. Because we are dividing with 4. Then remainder always come either 1, either 2, either 3. So when it come 1, then what we will do? We take 25. When it come 2, what we take? 50. When it come 3, we take 75. So here what we get remainder 3. So in the last what we write here? 75. So this is our answer. So what is our? This is our answer. Understand or not? Yes sir, very easy sir. Okay, so I mark in the red. So understand. So what we are writing here? In the last we are adding 25. Why 20? Sorry, 75. Why 75? Because we are getting remainder 3. Getting or not? Yeah. Please write down. We practice 1-2 more questions to understand better. Sir, take some big number, sir. I don't want to take a small number. Okay. I'm taking some big number. 9, 8, 4, 3, 2, 6. You want to big more? Yes, sir. One more. Yeah. Now this is a big number, and this we have to multiply with 25. What we have to do? This we have to multiply with 25. Now, when we multiply with 25, so what is the first do here? Okay, we not go for like this. Okay, general school method what we do? We write 9, 8, 4, 3, 2, 6, 5, multiply, take time. Definitely it will take time. So in 4 table, 9 is coming or not? 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is what? 12 sir. Sir, 9 is not coming. Then which number comes just less than 9 in 4 table? 8 itself. What it come? 8 itself. How many times? 2 times. So here I am writing 2. But when we write 8 minus 1, so what we get here? 1. So this completed. Now 1 8. What it become? 18. 1 8. Please try to do in mind. Okay, if you are not able to do in mind, do rough here. But try to do in the mind only. Now 1 8 18. Now check. In 4 table 18 is coming? No sir. So which number comes just less than 18 in 4 table? Sir, 16 itself. What it come? 16 itself. How many times? 4 times. So here we write 4 times. Now 18 minus 16. So what we get here? 2. This completed. Okay. Now 2 4 24. Check. In 4 table 24 is coming or not? Yes sir, it's coming. How many times? 6 times. So here we write 6. What we write here sir? 6. But here 24 minus 24 we getting 0 na. Now this completed. Now 3. So in 4 table 3 is coming or not? No sir. Because 3 is smaller than 4. So we keep here 0 and take next number. Now it becomes 32. Now what's come? 32. Now check. In 4 table 32 come how many times? So it come 8 times. So here we write 8. 32. Again these two completed. Here also we get the 0. Now again 6. So again 4 times 1 is 4. And when we do subtraction we get 2. And here 5. Now it becomes 25. So in 4 table 25 come how many times? Tell me 4 table 25 come how many times? Sir, 6 times come 24. Because 25 not come. So we take just less than 25. What we take? Just less than 25. So that become 24. Now we get remainder 1. What we get here? Remainder 1. And what I told, when we get remainder 1, we have to take 25. When we get remainder 2, we have to take 50. When we get the remainder 3, we have to take 75. So here what we write? Because we are getting the remainder 1. So we are getting 25. Why we are writing 25 here? See. Why we write here last 25? Because we get the remainder 1. In case we get the remainder 2, what we get here? 50. If in case we get the remainder 3, what we get here? 75. So now, two concepts we understand. Multiply with 5, multiply with 25. Now it's time to come to do multiplication with 125. What? 125. So please write down, okay? Please write down. Yeah. So now 25 completed. Now it's time to learn multiplication with 125. Okay. Multiplication with what? 125. Sir, how we multiply with 125? Okay, see. Sir, in 125, what we will do? In 5, we divide it by 2. In 25, we divide it by 4. But in 125, what we will do? Yeah, many of you are thinking, sir, we have to divide it by 8. Why, sir, 8? Why not other number? Because see, 125, so that is near to 1000. That is near to 1000. So for making this 1000, what we have to do? We have to multiply with 8. And for making it equal, we have to divide it by 8. So that's why what we are doing? We are dividing by 8 and then put 3 0. So now we are going to multiply 16 into 125. Sir, here we have to divide with 8. So in 8 there was 16 come how many times? 2 times. So we write 2 and for 125 how many 0 we have to keep? Sir, 3 0. How then sir? Very easy na? Yes, this is the magic of what? Vedic Maths. Yes, correct. Okay. So see, for 5 we are keeping the 1 0. For 25 we are keeping the 2 0 and for 125 we are keeping the 3 0. Sir, this is a small number. Very easy. Sir, come with some big number. Okay. So we try with some big number. Okay. And when sir that number is not completely divisible by 8, then what happens? Okay. So here we are taking here 418 multiply with 125. Okay. So now see, slowly we will check. First we have to divide with 8. Okay. If any student not understand, please write down. Do. But here first 41. So in 8 table 41 is coming or not? No sir, this is not coming. So which number comes just less than 41 in 8 table? 5. So here we write 5. Then we get 1. Now 1 and 8, 18. So 8 times 2 is 16. If you go 3 times, it comes 24. So we have to get it 2 times. So here we write 2 times, and 16 when we subtract, we get the 2 remainder. So we write 52, and here please write down, everyone please write down this one. When we get remainder 1, so in last what we add? 125. When we get the remainder 2, in last what we add? 250. If we get the remainder 3, what we add? 375. If we get the remainder 4, what we add? 500. If we get the remainder 5, 625, 6, 750, 7, 875. Sir, what happens when the remainder 8 come? No, remainder 8 will not come. Okay. See, when we are doing with 4, when we are dividing it with 4, we are getting the remainder 1, 2, 3 only, 4 not coming. Same here. So here what we get? Remainder 2 in this case. So for 2 what we get? 250. So we have 250. Answer is correct. This we have to learn. Very simple. 125, 250 means every time we are adding 125, 125. It's very easy. Okay. So please write down and practice this question. Okay. And in this week we are going to complete level 2. Okay. So definitely this week we have to work hard. Okay. Because before summer vacation we have to complete this all 4 levels. Okay. So I know you are guys working very hard. Okay. So no need to worry. So here what we will do, see, in level 2, this is the level 2 book. No one take out the level 1. So in level 2 book, today we discuss the chapter 1, 2, 3. Tomorrow we discuss the division. So in chapter 1, 2, 3, total page number 3. So please write down homework. So we write here homework. Page 3. To 11. I know it's more, but please work hard. Okay, and practice table. Below that table, so we have to practice table also. Okay, so table part also we have to consider. So please complete page number 3 to 10. So that's why I suggested to every morning by 10 o'clock I upload the video. Okay, so please try to complete the video by 12 o'clock, and afternoon, see, it take not more than 1 and 2 hours. Okay, 1 and 2 hours is enough for this, because we learning the trick, and by using trick you can solve very easily. Okay, so please sit and complete these things. Okay, and please in comment write what you did and all these things. Okay, so please take care. We meet in the next class. Bye.